going to have this, when we launch the Census pad, we're going to have this interface. Then we'll open the Census pad from here by clicking on this. And opening the Census pad will give us the main menu. We have three major menus there. So we have the provisioning, the Census pad, task and go, the system configuration. So what we have to do is to firstly provision our PDA, our Census pad. Then we'll click on this. Once you click on this, you'll be given the opportunity to have the system provisioning interface, where we have these tasks that we need to do. So having that, you just click on proceed, and this will give us the opportunity to enter our phone number that being used to assign an EA to us. So having our phone number being entered, then we'll click on activate profile. It will tell you that you are about to verify function ID with this phone number. Click proceed to continue. Then you click OK. You click proceed. It will automatically activate the profile for you. Then after the activation of profile, then you come to fetch enumeration area by clicking on proceed. It's giving us the enumeration area information. Then we have to download the enumeration polygon and the building point. So by clicking on this, it will automatically download the enumeration polygon for us. You can see one frame fetched, and the color of these have been turned to green. You do the same thing for the buildings too. Yeah, so this one too is okay. So now if based on what your supervisor notice, if the total number of the buildings here is, let's say, 30, and is trying to share it among 5 enumerator, you know it's going to be 6. That's 30 divided by 5. So and you want to assign you to the first set of the 6 buildings, then you're going to click on this assignment sheet. What that will do is it will give you the opportunity to supply the number of buildings you are starting from. Of course, you are starting from 001 and you are ending at 006. So it doesn't matter whether you put 00 before the number, you can just type the number straight, you'll still take it. So I'll just click on assign. So assignment saved. Then we'll come out to the other task where we have fetch base map. We'll click on the fetch base map. It will tell us to zoom for clarity, so you can zoom in. It's telling us to zoom in. Just zoom into the area for clarity. Once you're okay with the resolution, then you click I've loaded my base map area. Then you click, then that one too is done. The next thing is tablet profiling and tagging. Just click on it. It will bring all the information about the EA, about the where you are to work, the enumeration ID, and device unique ID. Then you click yes, let's proceed. Just want to verify that. So we have success on that too. We move to the fifth one, which is CS entry status. This CS entry status means that you have to have CS entry on your PDA before you can check on this, and it will give you a correct check. But if you don't have CS entry on your PDA, it might not work. So it should be referring you to some error that the CS entry is not being installed on your device. So I'll just click proceed because I have CS entry on my own PDA. So we have CS entry has been installed on this device. Check. So the next thing we'll go to is oath of secrecy. When you click on it, you can decide to read through, and after you finish reading through, you check that I've read the oath and I agree. Then you click on accept. So it means all this task has been completed, and it technically means that the profiling, the system provisioning is completed. Then I'll come out from that interface. I'll come to the main menu. Coming to main menu, there's one thing I need to do, because I'm in training session and I want my PDA to behave as such that I'm in training mode. So I'll just come to the system configuration. I'll click on it. Of course, it's telling me that there's something I need to do that is still pending. What is that? So if you're having that kind of message whenever you click any of this, just come out back and move in and see whether it will work. Can you see that? So we have this. So for the purpose of this class, we are to make use of training mode. I just switch to training mode so that it will allow me to do some things within my jurisdiction without being geofenced. So I'll just save the configuration and the settings saved. Then I'll move out to the main menu. I'm done with the provisioning. I'm done with the system configuration. Of course, I have to move to the sensor task and go. Then under the sensor task and go, if you want to do anything on this, the first thing you have to do is to select the EA that you want to work on. Then if you have many of the EAs that you have to work on here, you just pick the particular one you decided to work on. But for this one, we only have one, which is Olorun Shogo Central Mosque, Koru Yemetu Ibadan. So you pick on it. Then we majority of time we don't know where this EAs are. So the first thing we have to do, if we don't really know where the EA is for you to generate routes. And to generate routes is as simple as ABC. You all have to just click on this button, generate route to the EA. This one will take you from where you are to the first building in that EA. So from where you can do your map orientation and discover the remaining buildings.